People you see Vince a workout. I pump up for the party, you see me? Every man for Charlie, come here. So which party this? People, this is day 2.
Wet and wild.
Wet and wild.
Yeah, them wet and then wild.
Wild.
Wet and then wild.
Wild.
We not getting wet.
We getting wet and we getting wild.
We getting wild, we're not getting wet, alright?
We not get wet, cause we're too clean to get wet. Yo, right now, we're there. Where we are go? Extreme Wet and Wild. There you wait, as you can see traffic in front of it. Coming up.
Yo, crocodile crossing that one right now.
I want the party look like it's shot. I'm going to take you on one of them boats there to the location.
Yeah, we need to be on a boat to get to the party.
Yes.
You see me?
It's like an island by
Yes.
itself.
So we're up on the boat.
He has a fool.
No, we got the camera, we got the camera.
We got the camera.
Wet and Wild, no?
Yo, Wet and Wild, yard boys with up on a boat, both head to
We got the
party, you know.
we got everybody that control the boat.
Alright people, it's your favorite girl Shiny K, and I am here with the world famous Yard Boys all the way from...
Yo, we're there from Miami, you see me? Miami straight back to Jamaica. Boom! Jamaica. Yo, yo, big up my town, yo, Miami, but big up Satan, I represent Satan Country Boy live, you see me?
Yeah man, big up Spanish Town, big up JC, big up Diego, big up big up on yourself, you see me?
York Castle, big up yourself. Yo, don't forget catching prep, St. Diego High School. Shut!
No, come. No. We'll ever go, man, make him get experience.
Yo, me not like look one. Yo,
Ch
me not like see one. I feel my idea no and I'm a chicken out. But that panic, no.
Anyway, so they are easy up in the keys and then I said we're up on the body ride, them you see me. Them on the Yard Boys program. Yeah, go back in? One part a little bit still. Yo. Yush. In a few minutes. Yosh.
This bitch is love sauce.
Yo, show them, come in the light.
Come in that day.
Come in the light. So what the party name? Yosh.
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 Turn up.
People.
Yo, make sure you have Yosh to the push. Clean! Boy.
Oh God, what am I? Yo, Lampy. Come on there, get ready. Show them what's going on your beat, Alex.
What you sell?
Bridges, people can't really afford them cologne there, man. Clean, huh? Jesus Christ.
Beat them bad like so them a walk with me. Yo.
Bumbo clot. Pussy clot. Yo, we're here, live and rolling.
Cool man.
Click.
Cool man.
Click.
Oh that. Yo. Chad, do something funny. Yo, get them love him off, bro.
Everybody else, rock the boat. Eh? Chad, rock the boat.
Rock the boat.
Yo, how far are we going
Good
now?
thing I'm not with Chad, bro. I would die. Let's go to the green thing. Let's have a race.
We got the girls getting dressed at our crib. Shady boy just about to get in the shower.
Armani.
Vince over there, so. I don't know what you do, but you do something. Yo.
Turn up.
Yo, and then it's like, yo, we have beautiful Nero coming out of the, oh, Jesus.
Hey.
I'm dark as fuck. I just got done from canoeing. Playing Jeremiah in the background. What we head to Daydreams All White Party, as you can see. Yo. Yeah. But the iron, try the boys' pants, my pants, and Prince Vince's pants. And we go out there clean, well pressed, well fresh. Our thing that, as you can see, the girls are just like elegantly beautiful as usual. I'm not saying they're all white. You know? Yo, say something now.
Yo.
Turn up! Yeah, you see me? The all white that everybody excited for. This is like the highlight of the party. Daydreams. All white, all classy. Yo, people are not gonna say Yard Boys when we dressed. That post my Instagram, Facebook, everything. You see me? When I say so, I just go and wait until Chaddy done in the bathroom. I go press him pants, my pants, and Prince Vince's pants. You see me? But for sure, but yeah, man. Yo, see the people in there, you know. Like China, yo, cool, man. Yo, make sure to shell it down, you know.
No, we'll shut down later.
Yeah, man. Cool. People, that was Black Chiney. You see what I say? Whoa, we're back. Yeah, we're back. As you can see, we're in our all-white outfits. That's what you guys can see so far, because these guys are driving, you know, in the passenger seat.
We're kind of late, so we're rushing it.
And here, I'm here. You know, I'm the only one that can do a scarf right now. You know, because I'm exclusive. I'm different, you know. Yo, dog, the iPhone camera, dog.
Yo, representing the Yard Boys TV right now.
Yeah, man.
I share Yard Boys right now. I read this.
Yeah,
Hold on,
I
I
read
read
this.
this.
I read this, of course, I read this.
Yo. So what they are? Chat, where they? Yo, Gussie, tell time to drink some blood clot.
Yo, pick up Gussie, Yard Boys.
Gussie say, yo.
In cover
Yo,
shutters. If
hold
you
on
don't
now.
know Gussie. Gussie man go for water, go for me and say, yo, Jackie, all this, Jackie.
The man rate, yo.
Yo,
Come, chat, come.
fucked up.
We forgot to change the clocks.
Yeah, clocks me say, you know.
Clocks.
Yo, if you don't wear clocks, don't talk to me. Just delete yourself. Delete yourself from the earth.
Go inside.
Yo, delete yourself from the earth if you don't wear clocks. You see me?
Yo. So what they are? We just come from the all-white party. Just come from the all-white party.
Spence, watch out, record this. Turn up! Why we gotta laugh? Why we gotta laugh that, my youth? We gotta laugh that.
Yo, what the?
Yo, what can't I say? Fuck y'all, use boats, fuck y'all. All day.
Jump.
Look in the mirror, dog. I'm Swiss and Jesus.
Yo, I want my party to go in name.
Oh, the buffalo clad here.
Oi, switch the camera.
It name Ara.
Can we reach her? Yes, of course, the blood clad.
We're gonna
Yo, big up. Yo, turn the camera on. Yo, big up to Dotty Dex. Any
Dotty
party
Dex.
Dotty Dex, we there.
Big up that next.
Dotty Dex a word, boss.
Big up BRT. Big up Black Chiney. Big up, big up
Yo.
Siesta.
Yo, oi!
Hey, oi.
Every man in clocks right now. Clocks!
Yo, Lamar, I love it, but that shirt I'm gonna dash. Where?
Dash.
No, don't fuck with me, no. Oi, I birthday present.
Clocks rap beats. Clocks.
No, fuck my.
Yo, big up to Caravan Radio, isn't
Yo,
it?
see Cox in it now. See Cox in it.
Bombok. Chat, where clocks there?
Oh, where you getting the new clocks in that? Which one you
Chat,
got?
where clocks there? Joe!
Vince, where Cox in?
Yo, let me tell them. Yo, the bartender them off you will liquor like, yo,
Vince,
BRT weekend.
see Cox in.
Where the clock? Cheese butter.
You see, big now, whatever.
Cheese butter. Cheese butter.
Yo, I like them in a seizure, you know, dog.
How will you get the new clocks, daddy?
I like them in a seizure.
Oh, Chad.
Big up to God.
What's a big up to God?
Big up the guy.
Yo, I'm on change. Where my clocks there?
See Cox.
What's my clocks, Virgin?
Nigga, I'm a clocks, that. No, this.
See, are your clocks?
Oh, this is my
my
clocks.
clocks.
My very can wear the same clocks.
What?
Well, kill them.
Original.
Oh, pussy chat drunk.
Always drunk.
Yo, everyone change. Yo,
What?
What?
Did the man say pussy chat drunk?
What that mean?
Man say pussy chat drunk.
That change, you know, instantly.
yo, change now, change.
Yo, my girl, I wear my scarf.
Bomba clot.
Go one of them, mother.
Peace here, man. Baba, baba. Who is it, my child? What's it, mama?
Boy! Watch my TikTok!
Yo, the
Check out y'all boys! Yo!
Time for the army, watch the dog.
Yo! What? Chad, how are you doing?
Grenade!
Chad, how are that?
No. Chad,
want that. Wait tear off. Wait tear off.
Man, fuck a grenade
I'm
over
back
here.
rub a dog.
I want this.
How
I want this. How the fuck that come from?
I got a signature that.
Yo, we're gonna eat. Yo, we're gonna eat some up. Then aura.
Where I eat?
Aura.
Where I eat?
I don't know right now.
Dog. Ah, sober.
Yo, aura. The girl them turn up. See the hotel key here. See where the car key there. Joke! Yo, nobody said anything there. Yo, Chad no one pack.
Bomba clap, man.
Eh?
Yo, me not pack, you know.
Yeah, pack.
Yo, no matter left this side. Yo, bro, come pick up this bomba. Who the fuck you give me your earring them last
Oh God, you see everything man for pack up there.
Show them my section. Because it's like you don't understand. Let me take your phone. Look on that. I've got pack all of that. Boy Vince, you know. Take my bag last night. Drunk as fuck and just goes out. Fling that shit on the wall. And so I eat that. You find it now? And that thing tell me, you know.
You're too light.
I mean Eric, no remember. And the Eric gave me a look for you know. A 1 piece for 5. See that? A 1 piece for 5. See that, you know. 1 piece for 5. I see. He take the ball. Yes, no remember. I go so boom. You find it now.
Yes, people. You guys experienced it with us. One of the best weekend of our lives.